topic of discussion is what is the page in Facebook. Okay, so let us go ahead. Right. So what is the page? Is simple thing. You see, a page is nothing but the area where we are going to stay connected with our target audience. Okay, the place where we can able to post, the place where we can able to engage, we can able to spread the message, okay, relevant to our company or relevant to our brand. So the basic business page is the benefit of having a business page. Number one, you can have unlimited number of fans, but when I see if I created one personal profile, okay, and I want to increase the number of fans and all that, that option doesn't work at all. So we must make sure that the biggest benefit of the Facebook business page would be we can create multiple pages as per our choice and requirement. Number two is can promote using advertising. The biggest advantage of business page is you can able to use Facebook ads and you can able to promote this particular uh, option as well, and then you can use Facebook apps. Now see, with the help of a business page, what happens is you can able to access that information and data just on the fingertips using the concept of Facebook app. So the business page is nothing but any page which has the information about any brand or any company or any specific identity, we can able to go with that particular option of a business page. So we can consider that our business page itself is our identity on the internet, because whatever the good or the bad the user wants, he can just check the information on the social media and then he can tell whether it's a good or bad option. Is it clear? Yes, please. So this is the concept. Now we will see how to create the page, how many types of pages are there. That we will go into a detail. Just give me a second. Give me a few seconds. Let us be practical now, and we will discuss about the Facebook page properties, and we will go ahead and create a dummy Facebook page for our practice purpose as well. So first of all, see, whenever you are creating the goal, you must make, whenever you are creating a page, you must make sure any of this is your major goal, like updates or engagement or awareness, whatever it is. This is the basic idea. We already discussed this. So any of this can be your major goal on social media or specifically Facebook. Now, what are the options available on Facebook is whenever you are creating a Facebook page, you will come up with 6 options. Okay, one is local business or a place, second is company, third is a brand, fourth is an artist or public figure, and fifth one is an entertainment option, and the last one is the cause and community. So I can define like this. Right now we have just saw India against corruption. This is for cause and community. Just now you have saw Centro. Centro is an organization, so we can say they will take either this, and because they are also having a local business, so maybe they can take the option of local business as well. And if you take for example Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid and all the cricketers, they will be having account over here. And see the products like Sprite. Sprite is actually a product of Coca-Cola, right? So if you suppose they want to just market a separate brand or a product, then you can use this particular option of boycotting the brand or product. And entertainment is mainly used by uh, entertainment is mainly used for the purpose of movie releases are there, or if there is any new serial or any channel is starting, then they can go with the option of entertainment. So in a nutshell, all these categories are available in practical also, but what are the things we need to give, what are the for each of this particular option, what are the things we require. Now if you just go ahead and see this basic idea. Now see here, first one was review. So what is the main logic of review is it will choose the relevancy factor, and it will give you the ranking based on how close is that particular user to your local business page. That is one. Number two is company. This is for industry relevancy, like when this particular organization was founded, and address and mission, etc. And then we have the option of brand. Brand means, suppose see, I just told you an example of Coca-Cola. Okay, so Coca-Cola will be taken the entire option as a company, but what they will do is they will create a separate brand with the help of, okay, with the help of our major brand promotion, we can even promote as individual brand. And then we have this one, that is brand and artist, and these are all the properties the user has to fill in. Okay, and then we have release date option, where we can able to see when it was released. And then we have cause and community. To create awareness in the mass marketing, we can use the concept of this particular 6 types of products. Is it clear? So in short, in a nutshell, I want to give you one more clarification. In a local business page, okay, in a local business page, we will also get reviews option. That's one of the biggest benefit. If you create a page on local business, the user can able to write the review for that particular local business. So we can say, for reputation management concept, it's very important that we have a good profile on the Facebook and other networks. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so for e-commerce site, which type of page is done? See, for e-commerce website, you have an option of either selecting brand, or you can select the option of company and organization. Because if you take Flipkart, Flipkart is a registered company, so they will go with the option of company or organization. Okay. Now, did you understand my point? They can't take local business because they are not a local business organization. Okay. So now we will go ahead and see all this stuff in a practical point of view. I'm getting another question. Yes. Indra, Yasin, and Sivilela, any question you have, please ask. Are you clear with all these concepts? Okay. Perfect. So now I'll go ahead and show you the practical. See, as I told you, most of have an idea, but still, for the purpose of better practical implementation, I'm using this concept. So let us go ahead into the pages. So this is the individual page of one of our client info. So I'll go ahead and select add, and see under this arrow setting, create page. When you say create page, you see the 6 options what I have taken in the presentation. All these options are available exactly in the same order, correct? So now see, I can't explain individually, so that's the reason I taken the presentation, so that you know what is what in this particular option. So now I want to create one page for one company, okay, or organization, some XYZ organization. And very important is your category matching is very important. Okay, so I will say I'm creating this for education academy. Okay, so I have just taken a dummy company, ABC Business School. It's a dummy one. Okay, that's totally fake. Right, so now here, once we add this option, then the system says, please enter your about us information. Remember, never forget to add the about us very clearly, because when the user search your name or information on the Google search, your description will, this is meta description. So here we will write some meaningful statement which will help in finding the proper use and purpose of that page. And then if you have a website, so you can just go with the website. I'm just giving an example of OLX. And also see here, because we have already verified the phone, now it is asking choose a unique Facebook web address to make it easier for people to find your page. Once this is set, it can be changed only once, which means after setting it one time, only one more time we can able to change. Is it clear? So I can directly give the option of just a second. Yeah, we can give an option of unique Facebook ID directly in this window as well. But I will say I don't want that. I will just say skip. Okay. After that, we got an option of profile picture. So now see, very simple and straightforward. What happens generally is, you and me, anyone will just take a picture of a very big size and we will upload it on Facebook profile picture. Correct. But that is not a good idea because in Facebook, even the size of the picture will matter. What size it is will matter. It's around 180 into 180 pixel. The size of the profile picture is what? 180 into 180, so that user can really easily can recognize who you are. Okay, it should not be misleading. For that reason, having a professional profile picture of 180 by 180 is always successful. Okay, and then we have, I'll skip this because I don't have a picture to upload, and then I will add it to favorites, which means it comes on the left hand side, and I will go with the next option. Okay, so this is actually about paid one. If you want to make money, then they will give you more options. That is a paid one. Okay, that's that. Skip. Okay, so now see here, this is the ABC Business School education page, which has no option of a profile or no option of the cover photo. But this is completely individual option available for us. Is it clear? Right, so that is a way we create a page. Any questions anyone have, please ask. I will clarify. Just have created a page with all the properties so you get a clear picture and idea. Okay, and after that what we can do is, let us go ahead with the next option. So here we can actually this screen switch with set. Now see, one of the most common property is, you see this is timeline. Okay, the size of the timeline is around 800 and 51. Yeah, I think its width is 851 and height is somewhere around 315 pixels. Okay, so what the concept is, the cover photo. Okay, whatever the cover photo you have, that must be in collaboration with your profile picture. Then you get a huge number of likes and visits. Okay, so what I can do is, I just want to show you how these mashups are created. What is creativity in this mashup? So here you see, this is the official size of the Facebook banner, 851 into 315 pixels, and you see there is the option of gaps and lighting, so that the web designer or graphic designer can easily maintain this particular graphic element. Okay, and also we have a website where timelinecoverbanner.com. Okay, so I'll just go to this website, click here to upload a background. Okay, I'll take some background. Okay, so let us start with my own personal cover. Okay, perfect. So I will take one picture here. So okay, see, have a look at this. The amazing thing about this is, can you see here there is a mashup here? Can you see this? There is a mashup, meaning the profile picture and your actual picture will both get continuous option. The continuity will be there. If I just click on the next one. Okay. Okay, now see here, download the profile picture. This is only example. Okay, in same way, download the cover photo. Right, so now let's go ahead in changing the cover photo. Right, perfect, and then changing the profile photo. Okay, perfect. Have a look at the mashup now. So do we really have that combination of both the background and foreground? Right? Does it really make sense or not? Right? It makes sense, right? So that is called as mashup. So in fact, the one of the toughest part of your Facebook banner is one of the toughest part of Facebook marketing is creating a professional timeline. So I want to give you some ideas and some information so that you can get an idea that what are the different ways we can create this profile. And most of this will be very creative options. Okay, so see this creative post. Okay, do you think it's really very logical post? See that? Superb. He is just using an umbrella and this is all animated graphics. So with the animated graphics, he uploaded this entire picture and he replaced the photo over there. That's a creative logic. Next, see this one, this is superb. See the first one is looking like he's thinking something and you're getting all this picture. And here you see stay hungry to stay foolish. So he has two persons. One is standing out, that is him only, and one is who is asking for that particular option. Okay? And then this is Skyfi, okay, that is completely some advanced example and Skyfi. And this is the brand of Panda, which is in three-dimensional option. Okay, see here three-dimensional, and see here this is superb. This is superb. Okay, is it clear? So like this, you can able to see the information. And let's